Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about manual milk pumps and how they can be useful for mothers in daily life. A manual pump is a simple and lightweight option that many mothers use at home, during travel, or whenever they need a quick and quiet pumping session. Before starting, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. Good hygiene is very important for safe milk collection. Next, choose a calm and comfortable place where you can relax. A peaceful environment often helps the session feel smoother and more comfortable. Before using the manual pump, some mothers gently massage the area for a short time. This may help support smoother flow during the session. Now, place the pump correctly and begin pressing the handles slowly and gently. A slow and steady rhythm usually feels more natural than pumping too fast. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying relaxed and patient often helps the body respond more naturally. One advantage of manual pumps is that they are lightweight, portable, and easy to carry while traveling or going outside. Many mothers also like manual pumps because they are usually quieter and simple to clean after use. If something feels uncomfortable during pumping, pause for a moment and adjust the position or pressure. Small adjustments can improve comfort a lot. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and store it properly if needed. Finally, clean all pump parts properly and allow them to dry completely before storing them. With practice, patience, and a simple routine, using a manual pump becomes much easier and more comfortable over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.